In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out TikTok accounts from all devices. And what you're going to do for this is you're going over to the bottom right profile section. In here you click on the top right three stripes. From here we click on settings and privacy. Right now we click on security and permissions. And as you can see, we see a section or an option that's called manage devices. And we're going to click on this. And in here we see all the devices that are logged in with this TikTok profile. And as you can see, I have some PC logins associated with this account, an iPhone 11 Pro. And if you want to log all of these accounts off, you can basically just click at the trash icon. And then, for example, when I want to remove this PC login, I just click on remove. And if you want to remove another one, you click on remove. And you basically do this with all the devices that are logged in if you wish to log out your account from all devices. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.